Hello friends, my name is Zanera and today we're going to make fluffy banana pancakes. The ingredients we need are 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of oil, 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of sugar, 2 bananas, 2 eggs and half cup of milk. Now we're going to mix it up and put these 4 ingredients. First the bananas. And now we are going to add sugar. Now the eggs. And finally the milk. Added them, now we will grind them. The mixture is ready. Now we will take a bowl and add flour and baking powder in and we will then mix it. We have ready the mixture. Now we are going to put flour in the bowl. Now the baking we are done. Mix it to make a batter. Friends, we have mixed the batter nicely. Now we will make the pancakes. Friends, the pan is hot and greased. Now we will pour the batter. We take this orange spoon and put it in the center. And it will start to stick by itself. Now we will let it cook for 2 minutes, then we will flip it. Friends, you can see the small bubbles. That means it's cooking well. And after 2 minutes, we will flip it on the other side. It's been 2 minutes and now we will flip it. See how nicely it is turned golden. Now we will cook it for 2 minutes on this side and the pancake will be ready. Pancake कभी भी नहीं बनाता, अभी हम pancake बनाया. Friends, the pancake is ready. Now I will take it out and put it in this plate. See how nicely it is cooked.
Now
Now we will make the rest of the pancakes better. So guys, the pancakes are done. Friends, pancakes are ready. If you like the recipe, please like the video. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Enjoy